depot building at that point was of very little interest to anybody outside the railway industry, but it was this fantastic asset, the existing building on the doorstep of Piccadilly train station. We did some work to the depot building in order to set it up and create a performance space for Manchester International Festival, and that was back in 2013. We are firstly repurposing an old building, so we're not spending carbon building a new building. The fact that we're bringing it back to life through various uses is the most important facet of the sustainability story. Well, the opportunity to use Concretene in the depot came about through an introduction. We were working on the design of Mayfield Park at the time for our client, you and I, and we were introduced to Concretene, an innovator in Manchester, and the plan to create a large slab as part of the Meanwhile Use scheme presented itself as a fantastic opportunity to try this new material. Any opportunity to reduce the quantity that you need of Portland cement in a concrete mix is worth pursuing. In simple terms, what the technology is with Concretene is an improved hydration process so that concrete can achieve the same strength in a much faster time and with less quantity of cement. The two key aspects, I'd say, with the pouring of this slab, firstly, the fact that it was cast as a slab without any reinforcement in it, taking the benefit that Concretene potentially offers in terms of a much better tensile strength. And secondly, the speed of which the concrete product cures is so much quicker than a conventional mix. That when this slab was being poured, before the concrete pour had actually reached the far end of the slab, the first end of the slab that was being poured was already setting. So we had the concrete floating processes starting at one end of the slab before we'd even finished pouring the second end of the slab. And that's something that I think that provides a terrific opportunity in our industry to pour concrete in a quicker way.